Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today marks the beginning of my first ever annual series called Diwali Ke Din, which basically means 7 days, 7 videos and also 7 giveaways. I am so excited to be sharing this makeup tutorial for Diwali. In this format, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload, it's actually pretty obvious, I'm going to upload one video every day for the rest of this week so as to prepare you guys for Diwali. It's going to have fashion, it's going to have skincare, it's going to have makeup tutorials as well. There's one more coming up. And it also is going to have hairstyles. So I am covering literally everything for you along with gifts that you can, enjoy during Diwali. I know it is a tough year and I know it's been a weird year as well. So hopefully these videos will light up your mood and just like make this festive season slightly special. मतलब जितना अच्छा हो सकता है इस साल के हिसाब से. I was really inspired by Deepika Padukone's makeup look, which you can see on the screen right here. And I wanted to take this look and bring it into Diwali because I know कि अभी हम लोग घर पे होने वाले हैं, so it's not going to be too elaborate of a look, but I still wanted that glam which is also kind of subtle and easy to get. And who better than Deepika Padukone to get inspiration from. So she did this look for I think Femina Awards and Chapak का कुछ promotional campaign के लिए उसने कुछ किया है. I really liked it. Now this one is a really modern take on the look. So she has like diamond jewelry if I'm not wrong. She has a beautiful black tubed gown, and then she also has like this faux fur thing going on. I wanted to do a desi take on it, so I took the tube wala silhouette. I used a corset instead, and I added my chumkis, my choker, and my chunni to give it a very nice Diwali-ish feel. So if you want to know how I got to this, then keep on watching.
I had already prepped my face with serum, so then I added some moisturizer. I then went ahead to prime my face to make sure everything sits beautifully. I'm using my peach corrector for the under eye area. And then adding green corrector all over the acne to correct that and reduce redness on my face. Deepika's base always looks flawless, so that's exactly what I'm aiming for. I recently got new sponges from this homegrown brand called Cuffs and Lashes, and I have been really liking them. They're really soft and blend my base beautifully. Once I've blended my correctors, I add concealer to make it all even. Deepika's makeup on this photo has mainly focused on the eyes and brows as always, so I'm making sure I correct and conceal everything before adding foundation. I'm contouring with the cream foundation straight away because I want my foundation to cover it all up and hopefully look as flawless as Deepika's. I've recently started using this foundation from Lakme and I like it quite a lot. It's a slightly warmer tone foundation, but just look how seamlessly it puts the base together. Added a little more concealer to highlight my face. Now I'm setting it with the loose powder. Deepika's makeup artist clearly is obsessed with her brows. They're really long and full, which is something I don't have naturally, so I'm tracing my brow and adding fake length with my brow pencil. This is another new product I'm trying and it's working really well. Just keep adding hair-like strokes because hers look full but still quite fluffy and natural. I'm using my contour powder as a bronzer to add a little more depth and warmth. दीपिका के cheekbones defined है, मेरा तो नहीं है, तो ये करना पड़ेगा. She also doesn't have too much color on her face, just a hint of blush. So I'm adding very little blush. Now her eyes are really interesting. She starts with a very dark colored inner corner which is brown, so I'm adding that all over first. I'm adding the same shade under my waterline as well. I saw a little rose gold too on the outer corner in the photo. It was just a hint, so I'm adding a similar tone. She has a beautiful shimmer in the center, so that's exactly what I'm adding. And I'm blending it out with a flat brush. I'm adding more brown to intensify the color and also to draw a fake crease. Deepika doesn't have liner, so I'm adding tons of mascara and finishing it off with a pair of lashes. I looked at the picture again and I wanted to add an even darker brown, so I applied a dark brown on the inner corners and extended it onto the crease to achieve a similar look. She also has the brown extended on her inner corners and under the waterline. Also, can't miss the glow on the picture. It looks stunning, so I added a similar tone of highlighter. Added the same on the inner corners and the center of my lids as well. Finding this exact lip shade was difficult since her nude shade would definitely be different than mine, so I found something as close to it as possible that also complements the look. And that's it, gave a desi twist to Deepika's makeup look. I love her makeup always and this just fits so beautifully into Diwali. I accessorized with more traditional jewelry but kept the essence of the look with a corset.
And that was it for this recreation slash tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think this look is very appropriate for Diwali, but you can also use it in so many different occasions. Of course, from the comfort of your home, but I genuinely hope you liked it. All the details of everything that I've used is mentioned in the description box. Okay, I know you guys have been waiting for the giveaway part of this video, so here it is. One winner is going to win this, which is L'Oreal's Revitalift. Then they're also going to win a MAC Fix Plus. They are also going to win this beautiful highlighter from K Beauty. And I've also put in some sheet mask, and this is from Simple, a brand that I have now grown to love. So there are review videos coming up, but that's coming up after Diwali week. And yeah, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and let me know why you would like to win this giveaway. And also put in your email in the comments so I can contact you in case you're the winner. And that's it. Please like, share and subscribe. I'm so excited to be introducing this series to you. It's 7 videos. It's going to be madness, but I'm so sure that you're going to love it and you're also going to find it really useful. So yeah, if you like this video, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye.